looking at number 7. Number 7, I know it doesn't look like it, but we have a 45 degrees here, 45 degrees here, so we have a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So we're going to stick to the rule, which states 45, 45, 90. We always start with the x, where I always compare everything to the legs. Then it will be x square root 2, because that's about square root 2 times bigger. So if I draw an arrow, we're given our c. So this would be 2 square root 14. So in order to find our answer, we know that these two are equal to each other. We just need to find what the value of x is. So what we have is 2 square root 14 is equal to x square root 2. Well, here I need to isolate my x. So first, I'm going to divide everything by square root 2. Divide by square root 2. Since these are the same power, we can compare those. So it becomes 2, 14 divided by 2. And we know 14 divided by 2 gets us 7. So we have right here, our value of x would be 2 square root 7 equals x. So the value of x here is 2 square root 7, 2 square root 7. And that would correlate to both here and here. So how could you check your work? How do you know if you did it right? You could always use the Pythagorean theorem, because this is the biggest mistake when you're dividing by a radical. How could I check my work? You could always use the Pythagorean theorem to see if you end up with 2 square root 14. So first, let's try that out. 2, 7 plus 2 square root 7 squared equals c squared. Distribute this to the 2 and the 7, the 2 and the 7. So you get 4 times 7 plus 4 times 7 equals c squared. 4 times 7, 7, 14, 21, 28. So you get 28 plus 28 equals c squared. You add that up. It should be 56, but let me just check on the calculator. Yeah, 56 equals c squared, square root, and I want an exact answer because that's what that is. So 56 is even, divided by 2, 2, 28. Oh, would have guessed, there's 2 28s. Who would have guessed, huh? 2 and 14, 2 and 7, and there we go. So now we broke that square root of 56 to 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 equals c. We look for the pairs. We see it's the 2's. So we have 2 square root 2 times 7 would be 14, would equal the c. Well, look at that. We got the same exact thing. So did we check our work right? Yes, we did. So we're good to go.